So, ONErpm is a music distribution and rights management platform that lets independent artists send music to streaming services without an upfront distribution fee. It currently says artists receive 85% from download stores, 70% from YouTube, and 50% from videos on other platforms. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that the revenue split and rights can get complicated depending on which ONErpm services you use. Its agreements can involve exclusive digital distribution, content ID, neighboring rights administration, and other rights, so you should understand exactly what you're opting into before uploading your catalog. I'd also pay attention to customer support and payment complaints. Recent Trustpilot reviews include complaints about delayed payments and support problems, while BBB records include complaints involving account restrictions and difficulties withdrawing royalties. These are customer reports, not proof that every artist will experience the same problems, but they're worth considering. So, should you use ONErpm? It offers a legitimate set of distribution and royalty management tools, but I'd read the agreement carefully, especially the rights you're granting and the revenue percentages that apply to your specific services. Overall, ONErpm can be useful for independent artists, but don't choose a distributor based only on free distribution or headline royalty percentages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.